Hi guys, Laz here again, and in this video we are going to be talking about creating a logo. So there are many ways to create logos. You can create them yourself if you have experience. You can simply just buy it off of a designer. There's many ways to create logos. I'm going to go over a few of the methods that I use personally and what I prefer to do. So if you're starting out and you're on a budget, you might want to just create a logo yourself or you can even buy one. There's many options. There's many options here. So if you're looking for a very cheap option, I'm talking about logos for $5, maybe even less. You want to check out this website right here, Fiverr.com with two R's. And here you basically will go in here and type in logo design. And what I'm telling you guys, you can get logos here super cheap, guys, super cheap. So look at all these. Look at all these. These are options that Fiverr is giving you. So you would go in here. Obviously, you would have to create an account. And let's say you want a logo like this one. You tell them what your budget is. And let's say you want something cheap under $25. When do you need it by? And you say up to 3 days. So something quick, right? And it will get you designers that meet your specifications. And then look at some of these logos. They're great. Look, Husky right here. This looks like an awesome logo. Talk Dog, Gear Fitness, Swan Drink. So right here you can go and in 5 minutes, and I mean with $5 problem solved, starting at $10, starting at $5. Look at these guys. So yeah, look, these are the types of logos here that you can get for this price, which is awesome. And you probably don't even have to go any further than this. Another option, if you have more money to invest into a logo, which is what I like to use, is Upwork, just because the designers here are a little bit better. They have more experience. It's generally just uh you know uh upper tier of freelancers. You can go here and get logos, but Fiverr works great. You can go here and then just put search anywhere. These are worldwide people who work on logos, and then you just get a huge list of people. You see here, here's a little bit more expensive, $40 per hour, depending on the quality, right? And you can just check on reviews. I usually try to stick with people who are 90% plus on their job success. But yeah, there's a wide range of pricing here, and it's generally more expensive than Fiverr. But yeah, you can just go into their profiles, click on the person, and then if we scroll down here, sometimes they'll have a portfolio. Let me see. I don't think this one actually doesn't look like. Okay, so you need to create an account to actually see what type of logos they have. So yeah, you just basically want to go in here, see the different logos that they have, pick one that you think would work. So yeah, I think for someone starting off with no designer experience, I would probably recommend Fiverr. You can just go on here, get a quick logo, no problem. If you're feeling a little bit more on the creative side, you can go on Canva. Now this is an easy tool to use. It's a free tool. You can just go in here, create an account, um, and basically it will let you design logos. It has things that you can use. Actually, let's just go in here real quick, create an account really quickly, and just create a little logo. We'll sign up. So as you can see here, Canva will ask you, oh, what type of work do you do? And basically they're just getting an idea of like what it is. Skip inviting team members. So they'll give you some ideas here, and basically you can create even ads with this. You can create banners, but we just want to create a logo. So logo, I'll give you different options. As you can see here, we probably want to do something. Mm, we will go with brand logo. And I do not want to do all these steps, but so yeah, basically this goes through a whole tutorial on how to showing you how to make these. But as you guys can see here, look, these are all free. And while that's doing its thing over there, yeah, look, this already created a logo for you. So yeah, now it's gonna tell me, it's basically giving me the rundown here. So we can go through all these. These are all free. Let's see if there's anything we like. Hmm. I think we're gonna go with this one. So we have this right here. Now, obviously this isn't the name of our store, so we want to change this around. So we want to mess with this a little bit. Delete that. I want to call this Happy Paws. And this, I'm actually thinking of changing this. Let me see if I can. So you can go into here into search. They have photos, illustrations. I'm looking. Sometimes they have little icons. So obviously this store is for dogs mainly. So I want to I'll look up dog, see what they have here. Yeah, so look at all these options we have, guys. Now, we want to use obviously something that's free, something that looks simple, that's not too overwhelming. Let me see. I kind of like this one just because it's simple. Now I'm gonna have to. So yeah, this right here could be our logo, guys. Look at that. We already created a logo. How easy was that? Happy Paws. I mean, we can obviously make more changes to this, but just like that, that's a perfectly fine logo. So I'm gonna download here as a PNG. It's preparing our design, and I do not want to do this right now, so I'll close that. So yeah, we have Happy Paws right here, and we have our logo. So let's open that up real quick. Happy Paws. There it is, guys. So yeah, we made a logo super quick, super fast using Canva. That's canva.com right here, which is a great tool for making logos, something cheap, free, easy. If you're just starting out, it's great to use. So yeah, and yeah, guys, obviously you could also work with Photoshop, but I know that's already more uh, designer based, and you need to have some knowledge of how to use the platform. So, I mean, if you know how to use Photoshop, chances are you can make a better logo than this. So, that's just another option you have. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. And in the next video, we're going to be talking about color schemes and how we're going to be setting up and customizing our theme. So, guys, see you guys in the next one.